Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really cool to show you, a fresh mod for Top 11 that works perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. Make sure you stick around until the end because I'll reveal how to unlock unlimited tokens and other awesome features inside the game. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want more helpful gaming content like this. Alright, so this mod comes with a special menu you can open by tapping the gear icon right inside Top 11. Once it's open, you'll see options to add unlimited tokens and more. It's super easy to use and totally changes the way you play. Just a heads up, you'll need to have the latest version of Top 11 installed for everything to work smoothly. If you want to know exactly where to find this mod, check the comments section below. I left a detailed note there with all the info you need. Now, watch closely. Here I'm using the mod menu to instantly boost tokens and other key resources to the max. You'll see how quick and seamless it is. If this mod helps you out, or if you have any questions, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you guys. And remember, if you want to get your hands on this mod, head over to tweakcake.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more cool mods and gaming tips. See you next time.